Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and thanks to Samsung Malaysia, I was invited to Bangkok for the Samsung Galaxy A Unpacked event and got my hands-on experience of the Samsung Galaxy A80, and here's my first impressions of the phone, so keep watching. Now, starting from the phone's design, the overall phone is made of glass, which made the phone felt really premium compared to the other lower range A series phones with a really nice aluminum frame at the sides of the phone. Then there's 3 cameras, and those triple cameras are placed at the back on a horizontal position right in the middle of the phone, but towards the top instead of the middle like the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And yes, now it spots the in-display fingerprint sensor as well. Now the A80 comes in 3 colors for you guys to choose from. The one which I've gotten my hands on was the Phantom Black, and then there's also Angel Gold and Ghost White. Now I heard so many funky color names, but I gotta say that this has the most interesting names indeed. Now as for the phone screen, following the higher flagships, it has a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, which as usual looks really nice and vibrant, and it has absolutely no notch. So yes, it is a true infinity display with a 1080 by 2400 pixels. Now as for the phone spots and buttons, looking down below, there is the USB-C port, a single speaker grill, as the other speaker is now placed underneath the screen, which I'm eager to test out on the sound on that. And then there's also the dual SIM card slot, which unfortunately does not come with the micro SD card expansion. Now on the left there is the volume rockers, and the power button is available on the right. And yes, for the very first time, there's no more headphones jack. Now as for the camera specs, there are 3 camera lenses. One is a massive 48 megapixel f2.0 aperture lens, an 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture ultra wide lens, and a 3D depth sensor which is fully dedicated for the live focus feature. Then looking at the front camera, where's the front camera? Yes, to everyone's surprise, it features a very interesting rotating camera which rotates all the 3 cameras from the back to the front, where once the selfie camera is activated in the app, it immediately pops out at the back of the device, and then it nicely rotates the camera right in front, which was really mind-blowing. And yes, during my full video review, I'll let you guys know the lifespan of the rotating camera, since you guys asked me on Instagram when I post it up, and stay tuned for my full video review of the picture examples as well. Now as for video, it can record up to UHD 4K 2160p up to 30 frames per second, and that's for the rear mode. But for the front camera, it records 1080p at 30 frames per second. So let's hope there is a future software update, hopefully to get the front camera to also record in 4K, since it uses the same exact lens. Now as for the insides of the phone, it is using the octa-core chipset. Now there's no official word from Samsung whether that this is using the Snapdragon or any other chipset, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. And then there's only a single variant, which is a 8 gigs of RAM together with 128 gigs of storage. And in terms of software, it comes shipped with Android 9.0 Pie with a really nice One UI skin, and there's also Samsung Pay in the device, which is great. And the phone also comes powered with 3700 mAh of battery, and as usual, I'll let you guys know how much screen on time that I get during my whole entire review of the phone. Now as for the phone's availability here in Malaysia, there's no official word yet from Samsung Malaysia on when exactly it's going to be launched here, but you can follow me on Instagram to find out updates on that, and also subscribe to this channel for the official pricing updates too. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys would like to know about the brand new Samsung Galaxy A80 at the comment section below, and as usual, I'll reply them during my full video review of the phone. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my first impressions video of the brand new Samsung Galaxy A80, and if you like this video, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys really soon.